What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel, where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If you're new to our channel or you've been checking out our content, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash the like button. It really helps our content reach a wider audience, and we greatly appreciate the support. So for today's video, we're going to be reviewing a new fintech that offers a soft pull pre-approval for auto loans. Now, one of the biggest mistakes that I made as a young adult was financing a vehicle from the dealership with bad credit. Now, at the time, I didn't really look too deep into the terms of the loan. All I knew was that they were going to approve me and I could drive off the lot. Now, it wasn't until years later that I'm making my monthly payments, I realized that the principal barely went down after about 3.5 or so years. So I couldn't understand why, I'm paying $400 a month on my car loan, but the principal is barely budging. So I decided to go back and look at the finance contract, which I didn't even read through. All I did was sign it originally. So I decided to go back and read the terms, and it was then I realized that I was paying 22% daily interest. Now, after reading through the terms and figuring out that I was paying an exorbitant amount of interest, I decided to pay the vehicle off in full. But that's one of the hard lessons that I learned, and one of the reasons why I started this channel was to share information with you so you could avoid some of these pitfalls. So for today's video, we're going to be reviewing a new fintech called Lendbuzz. Now, Lendbuzz offers a soft pull pre-approval for auto loans, both new and used auto loans, with terms as long as 60 months. Now, Lendbuzz was originally designed to meet the needs of internationals who moved to the United States but were unable to access credit due to their lack of credit history. They also look at other data points besides just your credit. They're also looking at your income as well as other personal information to underwrite you for an auto loan. Anyways, let's jump over to their website and I'm gonna walk you through the process. All right, so here we are on lendbuzz.com. Smarter car loans designed for you. So Lendbuzz expands access to fair credit with a simple and fast loan application that looks at you, not just your credit score. So there's two different ways that you can apply. So if the dealership that you're looking to buy the car from actually offers Lendbuzz, then you can use it that way. Or if you want to get a pre-approval and then go to any dealership with that, you can also do that as well. So you can just pre-qualify either through the car dealership or directly with Lendbuzz. Most applications are pre-qualified instantly. If not, it may take a couple business days for them to get a pre-approval for you. Once they're able to verify the information that you submitted, then they can give you a final approval. Now, once you've received your approval, all you have to do is sign your loan contract digitally, and then you can go pick up your vehicle from the dealership and they'll handle the rest of the paperwork with the dealership for you. So in order to underwrite, Lendbuzz uses artificial intelligence to help expand access to credit for deserving borrowers. Now, all you have to do right here to check your rate is click this green button and it'll take you to the application. Now, on the application, there's several components that you need to fill out. The first is the loan amount. So you could just slide this back and forth. So the minimum loan amount is going to be $7,000. The maximum loan amount is going to be $40,000. Right here, you can choose from the term that you want, either a 3-year, 36-month term, 48-month term or 4 years, or a 60-month term, which is 5 years. Shorter the term, the lower the interest rate. The longer the term, the higher the interest rate. Right here, you just put in the estimated purchase price. If you do have a VIN number, you can enter that as well. All right, so once you put the VIN number in, it auto populates it. So it actually pulls up the year, the make, the model, the trim, and then they have right here an estimated value. So I just picked a random one just for demonstration purposes. All right, so on this page, it's asking about school information. So the country in which you attended school, the name of the school, and then you can select your degree type. You can also select the status, whether or not you've completed. All right, so on the next page, you're going to enter in your employment information. So you're going to fill in your most recent employer. If you have a job offer letter, you can tell them about your employer or mark it as a future employer. All right, so on the next page, it's asking about your financial information. So you have to put in your employment income, so your annual salary or wages, and whatever your monthly income is or your weekly income is. And this is going to be gross income before taxes. And then they also have a section here for any other non-employment income. All right, so on the next page is going to ask about personal information. So this is just basic first name, last name, your date of birth, your phone number, your U.S. residency status, as well as your address. So once you enter all that information, you just hit next to go to the final review. All right, so on the last page, it says, nice, you have completed all sections. Just confirm your loan details are correct. Enter your SSN and submit. So this is just a sample that I did, $36,000 loan, 5-year term. So a monthly payment anywhere from $705 to $774. Now, right here, it says credit inquiry consent. This will not affect your credit score. You understand that by clicking on the I agree button immediately following this notice, you are providing written consent to Lendbuzz under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, authorizing Lendbuzz to obtain information from your credit profile or other information from Experian. You authorize Lendbuzz to obtain such information solely to pre-qualify you for credit options. So as it says right here, I agree, this will not affect your credit score. So they're not going to be hard pulling you. It's just going to be a soft pull on Experian. All right, so right here, you enter in your social security number. If you do have a social security number, you have to enter it. If you don't, you just check this box right here. When you're ready to submit, you just select get your rate. All right, so I just submitted the pre-qualification and I got this notification. So it says pending state license. So thank you for your application. Unfortunately, we currently do not offer our services in your state. However, we are expanding to new states and will inform you once we can issue your loan. All right, so let's recap Lendbuzz. Now, Lendbuzz is one of the latest fintechs that offers auto vehicle financing. Now, you can either go directly through your dealership if they offer Lendbuzz, or you can get a pre-approval directly from the Lendbuzz website. Now, they're looking at different data points besides just your credit. So even if you don't have a social security number, you can still apply. Now, they're going to be looking at your personal credit, and it's just a soft pull to get a loan offer. So they're going to be soft pulling your Experian credit file. They're also going to be looking at other data points such as your educational history, as well as your personal income. They offer both new and used auto vehicle loans with terms as low as 3 years all the way out to 5 years. Now, one thing that I discovered even through the demonstration was that right now they're not available in every state, but they are working to expand across the nation. So I can't tell you offhand which states they actually operate in as of now, but they are working on being able to offer their products in all 50 states. If anyone's interested in checking out Lendbuzz, I've dropped the link in the description. Let me know your comments and questions in the comment section down below. And until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.